Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. And today we are going to unbox this big box. So before we get into that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the big box. And let's open this and see what we can find inside. I know exactly what it is, but you guys don't know. But I will show you in a moment. And I use my utility knife for this. It's easier. And let's cut this open. Oh man, they have sealed this pretty well, actually. It's stuck there. And I have to open here, cut this here. And we have it opened. Okay. Let's see what we have, guys. Some filling material for protection. Okay. The first item is looks like a can, right? They have packaged this. I need the utility knife again. So I like when they pack things good, but you need to have the possibility to open it too, because they put a lot of things around it. And bubble wrap is awesome material, actually. It protects the items you have ordered. And let's see what we have. The first item is actually a can. Emergency food is the brand. And it has yeah, it's vegetarian jambalaya. Which is nice. I put that back in. And sorry for the pause, guys, but the next item is another can, but let's see what we have in this one. Geez, they have wrapped this well. I don't mind if they wrap things well, but you need to have the possibility to open them too. That is a good thing. But I don't mind they pack it well. It protects the items. And another from the same brand. This is lentil stew. This has a shelf life of 15 years. But we get into that a bit in a moment. Another can. Geez, they have sealed this up very well. Use the knife again. And I have a feeling this video will be a pretty long one. But it's a lot of items. And here we have another can, potato stew. Really nice. The shelf life is probably 10 to 15 years on those, so that is a good shelf life. I need the knife again. There we go. Let's see what we have as the next item. Here we have strawberry jam. 1 can of that so far. We have more items in this. Trust me about that. By the way, this jam, it has a shelf life of 10 years. Let's see if I can get this one open. And yes, this is apricot jam, 1 can, but we have still more. And the knife again. Always knife. Always a knife. And another can of strawberry jam. And the knife again. It's always fun when you have to use the knife again. Sorry for repeating myself. Let's see. No, that didn't. And don't cut yourself in the face either. That would be a bad idea. And another can of apricot jam. And the next item is Convar. It's a field bar. This has actually, yeah, it's an energy bar. It has vitamins in this one, which is really nice. And I got 2 of these. Here's the thing with this one. This is military grade, so that's nice. And the shelf life for this is actually 27/6/2042. So June 27th, 2042 is the shelf life for this. And it is 2023 now. So let's see what the shelf life is on this one. Strawberry jam. That seems to be December 31st, 2033. So that's not bad, actually. And the apricot jam is April 30, 2033. So not bad at all. Okay, guys. Let's see the next, what the shelf life is on this one. If I even can read it. Yeah, September. Yeah, no, January 29th, 2047. So that's a good shelf life on this one. So that's all, guys, I have to show you for today. And these go straight into my preps. And I will buy more of these, different types. And I need to buy some of these with meat for my wife. So we don't only have vegetarian foods. And these are dehydrated, so that's a good food. And I never tried these brand before, but it's Convar who made these as well. So now I have 3 cans of different types of food, and that goes straight into my preps. And thank you for your patience. Thank you for your watching and your support. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So take care, stay safe, God bless, stay prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.